Now that's a service road. I guess you could. It's not going to be very exciting. That's how they get bodies down. That's some rugged stuff, huh? Woo!
Almost fell.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Almost went off.
Move out of the way here. Is that it?
I almost hit the boulder. I was going too fast.
Did I show you the video of my buddy doing this one? Joe? From work?
No.
So you have to see the wood up there?
Yep.
You have to jump onto that at the other end and then jump off, and it's I mean, you could see the drop.
Let's do it.
No.
Really?
Yeah, no, you have to be towed into it the first time so you know the speeds.
I know the speeds.
Yeah. All right, I'll video you.
Well, how do you get there?
You got to go up to the top.
From what? From this way? I'm doing.
You're nuts.
Or it's too late.
If you really want to try it, you can hit it on the next one.
All right, we'll hit on the next one.
Whoa. Ah. Go. Just be careful, it's not me up there. Don't kill him. Just sit tight. Take a deep breath. Just relax for a minute. Don't rush. Where'd you land? Oh, all over your back?
Ah, who the hell knows?
Oh boy. Shit.
Ow. You alright? Yeah, I'm good.
Don't stomp around down there. Fucking wind up with ticks. Give me a hand.
I got it.
You alright?
I'm good. Just the wind knocked out of me, maybe a broken rib.
Well, it's a good thing your rib was almost healed.
Yeah, right?
You're getting too fucking cocky. I shouldn't have let you go in front of me.